Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. After we have the unboxing review of its design, specs, and UI, on this video we are going to focus on the offered features, its menus, and options available here on the Alon Watch Curve 3. So if you are interested to know more about the Watch Curve 3 smartwatch, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start and explore the features available in the Watch Curve 3 smartwatch. Here on the packaging, we do have some preview of its features. So we have a heart rate monitoring, customizable action, and I think we do have the details on the Bluetooth call. So the app is JU Pro with support for Android and iOS. I think it's available on the support app. Anyway, let's explore directly on the smartwatch. Again, the wearable do have a curved screen display, not the body, but the screen display. Flat on the bottom part, curve on the top part. Here we do have a rotary button. We have a customizable button here. On top we have the settings and options. We have an Alon Curve 3. On the bottom part we have the notifications. On the left side we have the split screen, and on the right side we have the modules or the components. Okay, to access the main menu, just press the power button. To change the watch face, just rotate the rotary button. To access the sports functions, just press this side button, but you can customize it to open other applications. Again, let's access the menu. So we have connect. This is for the Bluetooth call. So we have support for contact person, call records, and dial pad. We have automatic activity tracking. It monitors the steps, calories, and distance. We have the sports functions. We have walk, run, cycling. How many sports do we have here? Let's see. Jump rope, tennis, baseball, yoga, golf, and skiing. I think it's around just less than 20, I think. We have sports record. We have a heart rate, sleep monitoring, blood oxygen. We have AI assistant. We have Bluetooth music control function, weather report, breath training, message notifications, remote photo control, search phone, women's health, and we have here the utilities. Apps or features included in the utilities are alarm clock, calendar, flashlight, calculator, stopwatch, and timer. We have a calculator, we have a flashlight, stopwatch, timer. We don't have a compass. We have an alarm. What else do we have here? Search phone, weather report. Let's check for the heart rate. Let's check the UI. So this is the UI of the heart rate. We have the blood oxygen. And on the settings, we have menu style. We have at least 3. We have honeycomb, list, and waterfall. We have a watch faces. You can lock the watch faces. And what else? Let's go back to the settings. Language support. We have display option here, the brightness. You can change the time for the auto off of the screen. We have raise to wake support, SOS, bedside lamp mode, adjustment of the volume. Oh no, you can turn on the media audio for the music control, or just set the silent mode. We have do not disturb mode, time setting. You can switch to 24-hour or 12-hour format time. You can also change the time here without connecting to the support app. We have function key custom. This one, you can change this. So far we changed it to sports. You can change it to Bluetooth call. We'll check it later. We have product information. We have the QR code and the system. Power off, restart, and reset. Again, here are the features. Check it out. Okay, what do you think? Does the Aulon or the Aulon Watch Curve 3 have the feature that you're looking or that you want? Drop a comment below. And let's check again the functional button here. As you can see, we changed it to the Bluetooth call. Does it have what it takes to be the next smartwatch that you want? Okay, comment down below for the Aulon Watch Curve 3. What do you think of this smartwatch? Again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, drop a comment below and subscribe for more videos about the Watch Curve 3. Bye.